Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to our channel Habib Sir Classes. In this video, we'll be discussing Unit 3, Chapter 3, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations. Here is the question, page number 124, problem number 1. From the following details, prepare receipts and payments account. So we are given with some details and we are asked to prepare receipts and payments account. Here is the solution. The format for receipts and payments is receipts amount, payments amount. The heading will be taken as receipts and payments account for the year ended. In this problem, as we are not given with the name of the organization and also we are not provided with the date, so just will be writing the heading as receipts and payments account for the year ended. And the format is receipts amount rupees, payments amount rupees. Towards extreme left will be writing DR debit and towards extreme right will be writing CR credit. If cash is coming, it will be recorded as receipts, and if cash is going, it will be recorded as payments. अगर पैसे आ रहे हैं तो हम उसको receipts में लिखेंगे, अगर पैसे जा रहे हैं तो हम उसको payments में लिखेंगे. So here is the question. First, it is given as opening balance of cash 1,500, opening bank balance 4,500. Opening balance of cash कितना है 1,500. Opening bank balance कितना है 4,500. It will be shown on receipt side as to balance brought down. Opening balance will always be shown on receipt side as to balance brought down. ओपनिंग बैलेंस किस किस का है अपने पास? कैश और बैंक. सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश कितना है 1,500. ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक कितना है 4,500. देन वी हैव सब्सक्रिप्शंस कलेक्टेड 8,000. यहाँ पे पैसे आ रहे हैं. सो पैसे आ रहे हैं तो कहाँ लिखेंगे आप? रिसिप्ट्स में लिखेंगे. कौन से पैसे आ रहे हैं? सब्सक्रिप्शंस के पैसे आ रहे हैं. सो इट विल बी शोन ऑन रिसिप्ट साइड एज टू सब्सक्रिप्शंस 8,000. So here it will be shown as two subscriptions 8,000. Then after subscriptions we have entertainment show receipts 4,000 rupees. Entertainment show receipts का मतलब पैसे आ रहे हैं. कौन से पैसे आ रहे हैं? Entertainment show receipts के आ रहे हैं. So again it will be shown as receipt. यहाँ receipts में आके लिखेंगे to entertainment show receipts. कितने पैसे आ रहे हैं? 4,000 rupees. Then we have entrance fee received 2,000 rupees. Again we are receiving amount. So again it will be shown as receipts as entrance fees. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे to entrance fees 2,000 rupees. And after entrance fees we have computer purchase 3,000 rupees. तो इस बार हम कंप्यूटर खरीद रहे तो अपने पास से पैसे जा रहे. इट विल बी शोन ऑन क्रेडिट साइड. दैट इज इट विल बी शोन एज पेमेंट्स. सब पेमेंट्स में लिखेंगे बाय कंप्यूटर 3,000 rupees. Then we have tournament expenses 3,000 rupees. Again cash is going, पैसा फिर से जा रहा. So it will be shown as payment. So it will be shown on payment side as by tournament expenses 3,000 rupees. Tournament expenses 3,000 rupees. And after tournament expenses, we have entertainment show expenses 1,800 rupees. So as we are paying for entertainment expenses, cash is going, so it will be shown as payment. So payments milking by entertainment show expenses 1,800 rupees. Then after entertainment show expenses, we have paid for periodicals 1,200 rupees. So as we are paying for periodicals, it will be shown as payment. So it will be shown on payment side as by periodicals 1,200 rupees. इधर लिखेंगे हम by periodicals. Amount will be taken as 1,200. Then after periodicals, we have salaries paid 1,200. So again, we are paying for salaries. Again, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment side as by salaries 1,200 rupees. यहाँ पे आके लिखेंगे by salaries 1,200 rupees. फिर salaries के बाद we are paying rent. Rent paid 4,000 rupees. Again, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment side as by rent 4,000 rupees. Then we have cash in hand at close 1,800 rupees. It will be shown as by balance CY. Opening balance किस किस का था अपने पास? Cash, bank. So similarly, we need to show closing balance for cash as well as for bank. But in question, only the details of cash are given. So first we'll be writing the value of cash. यहाँ पे closing balance of cash कितना दिया हुआ है? 1,800. So only 1,800 of cash will be shown here as 1,800. So receipts and payments के process क्या था? पैसे आ रहे तो हम receipts में बताए, पैसे जा रहे तो payments में बताए. Whatever we are receiving, it has been shown as receipts, and whatever we are paying, it has been shown as payments. So अब इसका conclusion कैसा करेंगे? First we'll be doing the total on both the sides. First we'll be doing the total on receipt side. 4,000 plus 1,000, 5,000 plus 1,000, 6,000, 6 plus 4, 10,000, 10 plus 8, 18,000, 18 plus 2, 20,000. यहाँ पे receipts का total है 20,000. Then again, we'll be doing the total on payment side. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. Plus 1, 10. Plus 4, 14,000. Plus 1, 15,000. Plus 1, 16,000. So the total on payment side is 16,000. So receipts का total कितना है? 20,000 है. Payments का total कितना है? 16,000 है. So what is the highest among these two? इन दोनों में highest total कौन सा है? 20,000. So 20,000 will be recorded on both the sides. 20,000 will be recorded on receipt side as well as 20,000 will be recorded on payment side. So here we have recorded the total as 20,000, and if we count, we also have the value as 20,000. On payment side, we have recorded the total as 20,000, but if we count, we have the value as only 16,000. So subtracting 16,000 from 20,000, we'll be left out with a value of 4,000, which will be shown as closing balance of bank. So the same can be shown on opposite side as two balance brought down, cash and bank. Closing balance become opening balance for next month. Two balance brought down, cash, bank. तो यहाँ पे closing balance of cash कितना था? 1,800. So cash will be taken as 1,800. Closing balance of bank कितना आया? 4,000. Hope you have understood the topic. See you all in next video. Thank you.